These boxes need to be unpacked. Well, I'm hungry. A lot of fucking shit to do tonight. I was resting through the morning because I had a late night last night. Mind the chewing. Hold on. But I got a shipment of more frames. There's another box over there, but I already opened it because I had other stuff to do. These ones just need to be unpacked and prepped for use and then put back into these boxes. I've been trying to keep everything organized, recycle where you can. It saves costs and saves time because you spend a little bit of time to save back a huge amount of time. If I prep the 4 boxes of frames now, then the next person to place an order will have lower delivery times. The manufacturer ships the frames with these demo pictures in them. Just note, there's a film on both sides. Peel it off when you get it because I leave it on so that it stays nice and crispy. You remember to do it. It's quite satisfying as well. The backside doesn't always look like it's there, but trust me, it's there. Close the frame back up, rinse, and repeat. Hello. It's a kitten. She's saying hello. Say hi. Look. Look at the camera. Oh my goodness. It's like 10:30. What time did I start? I don't know, like 9? Jesus. I'm definitely interested to see the engagement on this video because if it goes well, I want to do just like probably at least weekly print manufacturing vlog. Can document everything that goes on. It shows the customer and the clients all of our quality assurance practices, all of that kind of thing. Last box was just done. I'm gonna go put this in my spot, show you. Hello. Hi. Here we got some finished product, which we're gonna move over to this, but I was just doing the prepped product boxes. Here's my poly bags, and there we got some finished product. So I'm gonna move those over to the desk. Because we got some work to do with these. We're gonna take some product photos. I'm gonna put you back here. Don't go on there. Do not let on my product box. Not allowed on my product. Get off my product. Frickin' spin, boy. Wrap it around your finger. Need another garbage bag. For now, you're gone. What I need to do, I need one demo frame that's completely ready to take pictures, and then I need to go through my frames and decide which ones need selling photos. These two do, for sure. Walk with me this way. Let's take a look at everything from this angle. Stock product photo going on. Printer in the back. I did a lot of printing yesterday, that's why I had a lot of work to do. Now it's pretty much time for me to take a little break because that was kind of a lot of work for the last 3 hours, but I need a break. I gotta refresh the mind and do less physical labor and more think tank labor. I'm gonna take this stuff that I just did and get that posted on the website and on the Instagram so you guys can have something to enjoy. Free delivery in London, Ontario. And the demo pictures are gonna go here. I'm gonna place the print that I'm selling here, here, here. We started running some ads, we got some orders coming in, and now we gotta film them and deliver them tomorrow. I would love to show every part of the process, but I can't. There's a few things I can't show you due to privacy issues, so I'm gonna try and show as much as possible without showing as much as possible. Let's do it. Okay, so we need our frames. Poly bags. It's actually a really convenient time for me to address some of the quality concerns that I've been getting. To get good quality prints, the paper matters more. You need a heavy paper. The settings that you use on your printer make a huge difference. The program that you use makes even more of a difference. I was printing the exact same photo using one software and I switched to another, and on one software I was having line issues, bleeding, it was using way too much ink. You can have software issues that fuck up your printing and you wouldn't think that that's the issue. You have to know everything, and it doesn't necessarily mean it's because you're using dollar store equipment. If you get a bad result, there's a lot more to the equation. So to prep for that, I like to have everything at the highest quality I can possibly have at this given moment. Double glossy, 80-pound paper, all the 5x7 prints, business cards, and the last component is the wall tacks. All of the 5x7 frames come with an easy wall tack. When you're working with glossy paper, do not touch the surface that has the gloss. It's gonna put your fingerprints on it and you won't get it off. Do you want a frame of memory? Text this number to place an order and I'll help you out. For now, thanks a lot for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Click on here to see another one of my videos or the next vlog if it's already out.